Well, with that big breaking news where there is coming in right now, there's fresh input in the Bihar investigation into the NEET paper leak, where the court has now sought the guest house diary, which speaks of the mention of a certain Mantriji. Here on Times Now, we got you this inside track that you can see on your screens, the reference to a Mantriji within brackets. Who's this Mantriji? Now, while the entire matter is under lens of the Bihar police, we are learning that the police have told to bring this diary over to the next hearing, which is going to take place on the 25th of June, as they failed to bring the diary today. So let me go across to Abhishek Raj, who's joining us. Abhishek, इसका महत्व समझाइए कि ये डायरी में जो मंत्री जी लिखा हुआ है, क्योंकि कल ही डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर बिहार के बोला है कि एक डायरेक्ट लिंक बन रहा है लालू प्रसाद और तेजस्वी यादव के साथ। कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये डायरी नोटिंग?
देखिए, बिल्कुल, जब सबसे पहले हम वहां पर गेस्ट हाउस में गए थे और जो पेपर हमने एक्सेस किया था, जो रजिस्टर्ड की कॉपी थी, जिसके अंदर लिखा हुआ था कि N10 जो रूम नंबर है उसके ऊपर अनुराग यादव जिसकी एंट्री हुई थी और बगल में ब्रैकेट में मंत्री जी लिखा हुआ था। उस वक्त ये सवाल खड़े हुए थे कि आखिर ये मंत्री जी क्यों लिखा हुआ है। बिहार में अक्सर उपनाम से भी लोगों को बुलाया जाता है। कोई अगर मंत्री ना भी हो तो मंत्री जी कह के संबोधित करते हैं, मुखिया जी संबोधित करते हैं, डॉक्टर संबोधित करते हैं। तो ऐसे में कयास लगाए जा रहे थे कि शायद कोई उपनाम होगा। लेकिन जब ये पता चला कि अनुराग यादव वो छात्र है, वो स्टूडेंट है और यहाँ पर वो परीक्षा देने के लिए आया हुआ था, उसके बाद से सवाल जो है वो और ज्यादा गहरे हो गए। जब जांच हुई तो ये पता चला कि ये जो पूरा कमरा था N10 का, NHAI के गेस्ट हाउस का, ये दरअसल अनुराग के नाम पे बुक नहीं हुआ था, ये सिकंदर के नाम पे बुक हुआ था, जो कि उसके फूफा जी हैं, जिन्होंने इसकी नीट के एग्जाम की सेटिंग की बात की थी अपने कन्फेशन लेटर में। जब आगे जांच हुई तो कल विजय सिन्हा, जो कि बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री हैं, उन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके इस बात की जानकारी दी है कि ये जो सिकंदर है, ये सिकंदर के लिए जो रूम बुकिंग कराई गई थी N10 की NHAI के गेस्ट हाउस में, ये दरअसल तेजस्वी यादव, जो कि बिहार के पूर्व उप मुख्यमंत्री थे, लालू प्रसाद यादव के छोटे बेटे हैं, उनके जो खास हैं, जो कि पीएस हुआ करते थे, प्रीतम कुमार, वो प्रीतम कुमार के कहने पे ही जो प्रदीप कुमार हैं, जो कि लोक निर्माण भवन में काम करते हैं, उन्होंने बुक कराई थी। तो आप सोचिए कि ये बात वहां से टर्न हुई है और प्रीतम कुमार का नाम सामने आया है। तो क्या ये जो मंत्री जी शब्द लिखा हुआ था, ये प्रीतम कुमार के लिए था या कोई और मंत्री जी हैं जो प्रीतम कुमार की आड़ में हैं? ये भी एक बड़ा सवाल है। अभी जांच चल रही है, EOU जांच कर रही है, कई और नाम इसमें सामने आ सकते हैं। 25 तारीख को वापस से पेशी होगी, रजिस्टर्ड भी लेना होगा और जो डिटेल्स अभी EOU ने इकट्ठा किया है वो सारे देने होंगे। ऐसे में अभी जो दर बदर जो पर्दा है इस पूरे एपिसोड का, वो खुलता हुआ जा रहा है। लेकिन जितना जो सीधा समझ रहे थे इस केस को कि इसमें 4 लड़के इन्वॉल्व हैं, जो पेपर लीकर्स इन्वॉल्व हैं और उसके बाद ये स्कैम ऐसा हो गया, ये ऐसा नहीं है। ये अभी पेचीदा होता जा रहा है, जलेबी की तरह टेढ़ा होता जा रहा है और कई इसमें परतें जो हैं वो खुलनी बाकी हैं।
You're absolutely right. There are wheels within wheels, and the more we look into it, the more answers which are coming in. There are even more questions which are now following. In fact, do stay on with us, Abhishek. The RJD now has responded to the BJP as well as Bihar government's allegations. It's in fact put out a very interesting picture, a picture of the current Deputy Chief Minister and BJP leader Samrat Chaudhary. In the picture, you'll see Chaudhary allegedly with one of the arrested accused in the case. RJD says that this shows that BJP is connected to it because Samrat Chaudhary has now deleted this picture. Let me go across to Sagarika. Sagarika, can you show us this post, please?
So the Rashtriya Janata Dal on its official handle on X has tweeted a picture of Samrat Chaudhary along with one of the main accused and who's arrested in the NEET mess in Bihar. Now the person here on your screens and the picture as tweeted by the RJD is that of Amit Anand, who is believed to be one of the masterminds of the NEET scam in Bihar. The RJD goes on to say NEET परीक्षा पेपर लीक घोटाला का मुख्य आरोपी बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री के साथ आरोपी के हाथों सम्मानित होने वाले तथाकथित ताकतवर मंत्री ने अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल से उसके साथ अपनी सारी तस्वीरें डिलीट कर दी। लेकिन चिंता की कोई बात नहीं, हमारे पास सभी है। आपके व्याकुल समक्ष दूसरे उप मुख्यमंत्री को भेज दीजिए। So the RJD here is one trying to turn the tables on the Mantri ji attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party. it's put out this picture and it has gone on to say that Samrat Chaudhary, who's the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, has deleted his pictures with this accused after this news came to the fore. But the RJD then also goes on to say that we have all the pictures with us, that we will send it to your other Deputy Chief Minister, who went ahead and did the press conference and insinuated that Mantri ji mentioned in the guest house diary is none other than Tejasvi Yadav. Over to you, Meghna.
Oh, that's very interesting. There are more questions now being raised about the RJD hitting back at the BJP, saying it's not us. It is actually the BJP which has a link to those who have been accused. So what really is this entire web of accused and those who are allegedly part of the paper leak row? So what we are going to do is break it down for you and show you who these main players are. The accused number one is Sikandar Yadavendu. Now this is the man who is a junior engineer in the town and planning department, essentially one of the government officially. The charge that he faces is that he introduced 3 candidates to the alleged main setters. The second accused in this entire case is Bittu Kumar, Sikandar Yadavendu's driver. He faces the charge of allegedly ferrying the candidates to the guest house. This is a safe house where allegedly the candidates were given the papers, asked to memorize, and then they left. The third accused is a man called Nitish Kumar, allegedly one of the main setters as well of this exam. In fact, he allegedly leaked the NEET paper, and he is the person whom they are zeroing in on. There's a fourth accused who is Amit Anand, who's allegedly the mastermind in this entire Bihar leak case of the NEET papers. He allegedly looked up who the candidates are. He is the one who finalized the deal. He is the one who leaked the NEET paper to the candidates. Then you have the fifth accused, Roshan Kumar. He allegedly scouted for the NEET candidates. He's the one who convinced the NEET candidates and their parents to buy the question papers from them. Then you have another accused, Ashutosh Kumar. Who's he? He's linked to the main accused in this case as well. He's a close mastermind. He's a close aide, rather, of the mastermind, Amit Anand. Allegedly, he worked very closely with Amit Anand. Then you have another accused, which is Danapur candidate who gave the NEET examination. The charge that he faces is that he allegedly approached the NEET main setters himself to buy the question paper beforehand. Then you have the ninth accused, which is a Ranchi candidate, and this candidate allegedly gave a NEET examination as well. All of these people, remember, have now been arrested. He approached the NEET main settlers as well via Sikandar to get that leaked questionnaire. Now you have the 10th one, which is the Samastipur candidate. This candidate gave the NEET examination as well. Allegedly is known to Sikandar Yadavendu, who was the first accused that we were telling you about, who managed to get this paper to the candidate. So this is the entire web of collusion that we are breaking it up for you. The big question is, where will it end and whose head will roll after this has come to light? We are going to be tracking the developments very closely here on Times Now. Don't go anywhere without a short break.